Who taught you to do that? Oh my.
This is terrifying.
It's a big hill.
But that's an 80s dad. So I asked my wife to help me out. She's always cracking up on Instagram, so she sent me a bunch of videos to react to. So let's get into it. Who's this guy? Look at his dog. Like, what is, like, I shut that volume off. Dude, that what? Ah! Your day can't get any worse. How do you wind up upside, like imagine pulling out of the car wash and just you're upside down? Like, I hope there was no kids in that car. Oh, why did I gotta bring that up? All right, what else you got? She loves this lady.
Run some errands. I'm gonna go to Home Depot, gonna get a bunch of boxes and... Hey, Trish. I just left. Yeah. All right. Meet me at the Golden Goose pop-up in 10. Yeah, no, you can make your own, you make your own sneakers. No, you scuff them and you burn them and you put charcoal on them and shit.
So stupid.
Yes, they have the bedazzles. It's Marquez.
I think she showed me one
Yeah,
of them
it's
before,
Marquez's pop-up.
The title housewife.
Sandy, in the car. In the car.
She's funny.
In the car.
She's funny.
God damn it. Hey, Scott. Hey, Scott. I'm gonna go run some...
All right, what is this? What happened? Yo, if you have kids, you get this. If you're married with kids, you get this. I encourage you to get married and have kids. All the dishes are put in, you gotta put them upside down because you don't want dust to get them. If there's still a little bit of water, it leaks out. But yeah, all the Tupperware and kid stuff, yeah. I try my best, I do. It looks a lot better than that. What else you got? What the heck is this, honey? What are you doing to me?
Can I just get a, can I just get a Wazon? One Wazon?
And for you?
I think I'm just going to get a Wazon too, please.
Just the two Wazons.
Wazon! Pretty good Wazon. This is definitely one of the better Wazons that I've had.
Oh, hey guys, what do you got there?
Oh, just some Wazons!
Wazons! Nice!
Wazon! 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 Can I just get a, can I just get a...
Awesome. What is this? When you're just a mom who wants to sleep? Oh, dude. I've got some stories. I don't know if I... Maybe sometime. Come back to the channel. Maybe I'll explain. What is this? Oh, he's going to spill that all over her and wake her up.
Oh my God, AJ. You okay, man?
It's so true.
And mommy got all my stuff too.
Yeah, it got everywhere, brother.
Yeah, I got all my stuff.
Was it too heavy?
Yeah.
It's so true. Oh my God, that sucks so bad. Oh my God, I've seen this. This is...
Toby, win.
Go for it.
No, Hayes, you gotta sit on your body.
This is, you know
Come
what?
on, dude. And hold
This
on to
is
the handles.
terrifying.
It's a big hill.
But that's an 80s
bottom.
dad.
Just
This
for
man is a
test run.
throwback from the
Alright,
past.
you ready? Later, dude.
Oh God. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. Look at the trail, dude. What are you doing?
Oh
What
no!
are you doing? You didn't go down that first?
Oh God!
Yeah. Tell me.
Where does that go?
Look at the landscape, man. Common sense.
Holy shit! We better go.
Yeah. You dummy. Oh, that poor little boy. I hope he's okay. I'm sure he's okay. Don't do that.
Joe, stop! You motherfuckers!
Oh my
Let's
God.
get down from there! Please,
I don't
you
know if I
hurt
can put this up.
Nothing hurts, Chow. I am invisible! It's invincible, and you're not. You're just out of your fucking mind. Now get down from there before you die.
I'm going to have to edit
Die? Chow, stop!
this. Black Sabbath.
A turtle! That's a tortoise. That's a turtle. That's a tortoise. That's a fucking turtle. I just made a diorama on reptiles. I know everything about turtles.
Oh my God, I
Whoa! A turtle!
can't. I gotta edit this.
That's a tortoise. That's a turtle. That's a tortoise. That's a fucking turtle. I just made a diorama on reptiles. I know.
I just wanted to.
My. Who taught you? I think that. Who taught you to do that? Oh, my. Who taught you?
He's in the metal. I got a third kid on the way, man, and they're all boys. I don't know what we're gonna do. If you guys want to support us, you could check out the affiliate links, help us earn some commission down below. Do your shopping in the next 24 hours. Seeing this video, help us earn a commission. Watch this, share this with a friend. Help us grow the channel. Thanks, babe, for watching this stuff. I might have to edit some of it, but it's been fun. Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys in the next one.